Hello guys, welcome to my Advantage channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to disable unwanted services which are not in use and speed up your laptop or desktop speed. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to speed up your laptop or desktop, then I will show you 10 to 12 services which are not in use and slow down your PC. So I will show you how to disable and what are these services which are running in the background. First, you just need to press Windows plus R key or just right click on Start menu, then click on Run. Here you need to type services.msc. Then hit Enter. Maximize the screen. The first service is ActiveX installer. You can see if you are not using Internet Explorer, just disable this service. Right click on that, click on properties. You can see a startup manual. Click on this and click on disable. Then click on apply. Then click OK. You can see the service has been disabled. And the second service is BitLocker Drive Encryption. Scroll down, you can see here BitLocker Drive Encryption. Just right click on that, click on properties, click on startup type, then select disable, then click on apply, then click OK. The third service is Connected User Experience and Telemetry. Scroll down, you can see Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Just right click on that, click on stop, right click on that, click on properties. You can see startup type automatic, just select disable, then click on apply, then click OK. After that, fourth service is fax. Scroll down, you can see here fax, right click on that, click on properties. You can see a startup type manual, select disable, click on apply, click OK. After that, you need to find print spooler. This is the fifth service. Scroll down, you can see here print spooler. If you are not using printer to your laptop or desktop, you can disable this service. Just right click on that, click on stop, right click on that, click on properties, select startup type, click on disable, click on apply, click OK. After that, sixth service is IP helper. Scroll down or just press I key. You can see IP helper. If you are not using or not playing online games in your browser, so you can disable this service. Right click on that, click on stop, click on yes. Again right click on that, click on properties, select startup type, select disable, click on apply, click OK. After that, you need to select geolocation. This is the seventh service which we are going to disable. You can see geolocation. Right click on that, click on stop, again right click on that, click on properties, select startup type, click disable, apply, then click OK. Now go to the next service, which is phone service. If you are not connecting your phone to your laptop or desktop, then you can disable this service. If you are using your phone or laptop, just skip this service. Press P. You can see phone service. I am using this phone service, so I am not disabling, only showing you to how to disable this. Right click on that, click on stop. After that, again right click on that, click on properties, select startup type, select disable, then click on apply, then click OK. I am not doing this service disable because I am connecting my phone to my laptop or desktop. And the next service, which is 9th one, that is remote desktop configuration. If you are not connecting your PC to the remote computers via remote desktop connection, then you can disable this connection. Then you can disable this service. Just press R key. You can see remote desktop configuration. Right click on that, click on properties, select startup type, disable, click on apply, then click OK. After that, if you are not using biometric devices, you have to disable Windows biometric service. Just press W key and find Windows biometric device. You can see your Windows biometric service. Right click on that, click on properties, select startup type, disable, click on apply, click OK. And the 11th service is Windows error reporting service. You can see Windows error reporting service. Right click on that, click on properties, select startup type, disable, apply, OK. After that, the last service is Xbox. You can see I have the 4 Xbox services. If you are not connecting to the Xbox, you have to disable these services. Right click on that, click on properties, select startup type, disable, apply, OK. You have to do one by one for all these Xbox services. Right click, property, select startup type, disable, apply, OK. So totally we have disabled nearly 12 services which are not in use. And close this window. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope the changes will take effect. That's it guys. So in this way you can disable unwanted services and speed up your PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.